So who can enroll? It is anyone who has completed high school and possesses basic computer skills. As I mentioned, we're going to take you from the basics. So don't freak out. I've had questions saying, okay, I'm not an IT, I've never been in IT. How will I do that? So that we will take care of that. We will help you from the basics. And again, I said, as long as you're able to turn on the computer, we will take it from there. We will help you throughout the journey. And we've structured our course so that everything that we do builds on each other. Okay? Builds on each other. Now, when we look at our class schedule, our next class is starting on November 4th, right? It's going to run until the end of April. Then we will also have a bootcamp. Now, our schedule will be Monday, Wednesday and Thursday. That has been our schedule. Time is going to start from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Now, we are also considering, just because of we know because of the time difference, and we have a lot of students in Africa, in other parts of the world. So we are considering we are gonna have to run two classes. So on the same day, we're going to have a class. Again, depending on the enrollment for this class. These are primary class, but depending on the enrollment, we're going to have a class that we run from 1 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So for those that are in Africa, for those that are in Asia, or just different, if that time works for you, so we're giving our students option so that most students, I know in the past, most students have had to stay up very late, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., because they have to attend this class. So we're giving you guys an option, okay? So as you sign up, you can again indicate, you can message us like what class you best fits you, okay? Best fits you. Then, because if we are going to run these two classes, again, we will see that once in a while we need to bring these two classes together because you are the same cohort. So we'll find time, whether it's on a Saturday or maybe every other Saturday or once a month, whereby but this one we will communicate, whereby we'll just come together now as both classes, right? To be able to collaborate, to be able to know who are members of your cohort and all that. Do you like your career? Really? Do you want to change it? Well, you're at the right place. We can help you. Here at Wema DevOps, we can train you. We can help you to not only just change your career, but also to actually succeed in it. Welcome to Wema DevOps.
Join a thriving community of learners and professionals at Wema DevOps, where you can get training, coaching, and counseling on your journey into the DevOps industry. Register now at wemadevops.com and become a DevOps engineer today.
So that is our schedule. Now, how much does it cost? Again, as I did mention, the value that you are getting does not compare to what you are investing. So when you look at the value to dollar ratio, it's only costing you $12.50, right? $12.50 per hour. You are just paying $12.50 per hour. Our course is going to cover over 264 hours, right? We have a payment plan. So you're paying $550 per month, right? Now, again, we have a coupon. We have a limited time offer coupon that you can use. That is the coupon code. When you register, you can utilize that coupon code. Now, that is for the training program. We have our coaching. If you want just coaching, maybe you are already in the job market, you're already a DevOps engineer and you just want help coaching. So again, you can pay for our coaching services. You'll have 2 sessions, right? Now, some people just want consultation. They just want help. They don't know which direction to turn and they just want consultation. So again, you can book our consultation services because these are the services that we offer here at Wema DevOps, okay?